So, as you know, my husband and I recently just renovated our kitchen for a third time. Yes, a third time. We did it ourselves, and I can't tell you how much money we saved. So, I was going for a modern farmhouse look. So, I'm going to show you the before picture. So, this is our second renovation. When we first moved in, we painted our kitchens a dark chocolate brown, and this is how it was. We had it like this for maybe 3 or 4 years until now. So here's the after. I wanted to go lighter. We recently had painted our entire house light gray, so I wanted my kitchen to match. So we went for a light gray in the kitchen. So I absolutely love the kitchen. As you can see, it's so much brighter. I really love this kitchen. And one thing I have to say is that we built this island. It was an island that I really wanted, but it was like $700. Islands are expensive, guys. So I was like, there's no way I'm paying that amount of money for it. So we actually built this from base cabinets. And I'm actually going to give you guys another video and blog post of how we built the island and the steps that we did, so that you can follow in case you want to build one in the future. So be sure to keep a lookout for that. But I just love this kitchen, you guys. So I'm going to give you a closer tour of some of the things that we did. One of my favorite upgrades in the kitchen and the things that I love is this light fixture, guys. I love chandeliers. I absolutely love chandeliers. So this one is a globe chandelier with the 5 candle lights inside of it, and it's oil bronze, so it gives that farmhouse effect. I knew I wanted one of these, and when I found this one, it was perfect. So we replaced our light fixture. Another thing we did was we repainted all of our cabinets. Well, we stripped them down first because we already had tons of coat of paint on them from the first renovation. So we stripped the paint and then we repainted them this light gray. I'm gonna do a video on that as well. And we also replaced all of our hardware on our cabinets. I knew I wanted these pull knobs. I love those things. Like, they give such a great farmhouse effect. And I also used knobs on the doors, and they're both oil bronzed. We also replaced our sink with this white acrylic sink. It's such a farmhouse sink. And we replaced the faucet with oil bronzed hardware. So I cannot tell you the amount of money we saved. Yes, it was a lot of work. It took us maybe 4 or 5 weeks total. But the amount of money we saved, if you don't know, cabinets are expensive, as well as kitchen renovations, as well as contractors. So if you want to save money and you can work on your own time schedule, I would highly suggest that you learn to do it yourself. I mean, no, me nor my husband grew up building things, but if you learn the steps, it's actually not as bad as people make it out to be. You can learn to do it. Like, take it step by step. Ask people, YouTube it, Google it, find bloggers who's done it. I actually am going to do a step-by-step tutorial for you guys that actually want to do it and learn how to do it. So hopefully I can help you, and you can learn from the mistakes we did, as well as how to do some of the things that we did. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos.